Good afternoon, friends. Let's proceed further now. And as I was sharing in my last video, that yes, I would love to go ahead and share certain clauses or the words pertaining to the academic writings that we are, involved with. Now, here, first and foremost, you would see that yes, we are first of all trying to understand whether when we are writing or establishing the importance of the topic to the world or the society in our own thesis or the dissertation. Now, majority of us, we do not mention as to what is the importance of my own work, especially even in conclusion we just come up and say that yes, these are the results of my analysis and this is what is taking place. However, sometimes I have seen that in some of the papers that are being published, they even give what is the importance of the particular research that they are taking care of. That is also very much necessary, and that's why when my training was being taken care of in the domain of writing, and I understood that yes, it was like a rigorous exercise that was given to me, thinking that okay, you're writing the entire thesis, you're writing the entire dissertation or a paper. However, can you tell us where is the importance of your own work that you are talking about? Therefore, you will see that in some of the Scopus journals that we are talking about, we definitely go ahead and apart from just a focus or aim or objective or the coming to the conclusion, results, discussion, we even write at least a para, talking, mentioning or referring to the importance of the topic to the immediate community or the entire whatever the gathering is for you. Now, in such cases, we are told to use these kind of clauses. For example, these clauses or the sentences have been taken up in such a manner that they cover majority of the domains, covering from the domain of sciences, or you can say management, or social sciences, or humanities, arts, blah blah blah. So you can cover almost all domains of the knowledge over here. So here, rather than just going ahead and telling you okay, you read it all by yourself, I'm going to take each one of these sentences or the clauses. In fact, I wouldn't say a sentence, it's a clause, and make you understand as to what is the importance of it also. So in the first section you will see when they talk about X is fundamental to. So you are supposed to know that yes, what is my importance that we are talking about and how to carry forward over there when we are mentioning and even understanding as to how these things are to be understood basically. Okay, so here you will see most of the time that we have got out here, we are even I would say talk about it in such a manner that yes, we know where we are absolutely going to. For example, X is fundamental to. X has a pivotal role to play into this thing. Now, for example, if you have come up with a very unique kind of an analysis for yourself, please go ahead and make it a point to mention over there. Now X is frequently prescribed for. X is fast becoming a key instrument. Now, for example, if you have taken let's say a scale development, it's an instrument for you, and if you will see that particular item gives you a very after attending the workshops on marker variables or bias variables, which I mean to say another parameter which can be seen in neural network, especially with the bias. And the more I try to understand, I'm able to proceed further to know what is the importance of it. So you will understand that yes, these are the points that you need to highlight no matter how small they are. Now, similarly, X plays a vital role in the metabolism of this thing. X also plays a critical role in the maintenance of something. So you can go ahead and you can say that yes, see, now this is what I I am looking forward for. Now, similarly, X's have emerged as a powerful platforms for our analysis, or you can say for our reports, or even for the skill development. No matter what happens. Now, for example, this is the time when COVID-2 is there. Now, majority of us are at home, and what is the importance of the social distancing? A time was there when it was said that please remove the distances and you should be coming together. However, now the time has come where we are not together. We are not together in that way. However, creating the social distances also we are together. So technology, how technology is helping us to come together rather than going ahead and meeting with each other. Now, so much so that I see even the younger children getting adapted to the technology much more faster than what I can see my own generation or the earlier generation was taking care of it. Now, similarly, X is essential for a wide range of technologies. X can play an important role in addressing the issue of X's are the potent anti-inflammatory agents known. Now, you see, if you are reading continuously some of the journals and the pages, you will be able to understand as to how these things are coming up. X is a common condition which is a considerable impact on this thing. If you are going for mediation, try to understand how you can, sometimes it happens that when I am trying to write something again and again, if I have to just write it down, impact of the mediating variable. Now, it looks very boring for me also, So, what are the creative ways in which we can come up with? So, these are some of the words which are present in front of you. You can have a look at it. You can paraphrase them in case if you do not want to use it directly. Now, in the new global economy, X has become a central issue. Now, evidence suggests that X is among the most important factors for ... You see, for mediation, if you have got a set of mediating variables in front of you, say that yes, this turns out to be the most important factor. Or even if you are proceeding further with EFA, that is exploratory factor analysis, you can understand that yes, how. Now, especially in Python or R, if you go ahead with dimension redundancy analysis, you will see that yes, they give you so much of details which somehow is missed out in Jamovi or SPSS. I'm not able to see. However, the moment I start using R or the Python platform for my own redundancy analysis, then I'm able to understand how the things are coming in, what are the numerical values which are present, and why that should be considered as the most important factor, not just on the basis of the simple ones that we are taught basically in the workshop. However, with the more in-depth kind of an understanding. Now, maybe later on, while discussing, I'll be showcasing to you certain results for SEM itself by taking care of the SEM through Python. And I was amazed to find out that because you see, SEM, I was taught to do it with the help of the Amos or Smart PLS or Adanko in that manner. However, the moment I start using Python, I was amazed as to how these results are coming in, and I'm not able to see even in Smart PLS or the other way round. So, how those things are coming and how to take care of it. So, you will be able to see and then write it in your own pieces of whatever the publication is. X is important for a wide range of scientific, if it is for the sciences. X's are the most widely used groups of antibacterial agents. Then you have got growing body of literature. Now, you see, again, this happens basically when you are writing review of literature. Now, for me, as per the prior studies, now, if that can be one sentence for me, the other sentence, according to the previous studies, then the words are exhausted. Then I have to start looking, what are the various ways. So here comes the way in which we can understand that yes, there is a growing body of the literature that recognizes the importance, or in the contemporary times the literature recognizes the importance of this. So you can go ahead and you can write down now. X is an important component of the climate system in the history of development economics, or you can use the word in the timeline of, or you can make it up, during the chronological studies this is what is taking place. So the language that you are going to use will be differing from person to person. So here you can see that yes, we have got these kind of a thing. So X's are one of the most widely used groups of Y, have been extensively used for this one. For example, if you have got two variables in front of you and you see that X is the major one that is being used more than Y, then you can take care that X is one of the categories or one of the most widely used groups of Y. So especially when you are talking about group by analysis or even in clustered analysis, when you go ahead and when you are writing. Now keep the books, as Neeraj sir keeps on telling us, that Nancy Leach's book or Andy Field's book in front of you, or even Hare's book. These are the Bibles that sometimes when I'm also writing the conclusion or interpretation or the result, I have these 3-4 books in front of me and I keep looking, okay, this is it. However, we cannot copy paste as it is the clauses or the sentences from there. We need to learn how to be creative, and creative in the sense that not to change the whole meaning of it, retaining the same meaning, however writing in a different manner. So these are certain things in the in this particular video that I would like to take care of. In my next video I would be coming up with some more clauses in this way, which you can also prepare it as a cheat sheet and you can keep it over there. Till then, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.